You're looking at a 2019 Hyundai Kona Electric Ultimate Edition with 14,000 miles. This vehicle comes fully loaded with every single option. It gets about 258 miles at 100% range. It comes with every single option available: ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, fast charging, all safety features, keyless entry, VIN numbers right here, full power options, automatic transmission, heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats, climate control, dual zone, navigation, backup camera, projection for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, lane keep assist, blind spot monitors, Bluetooth, Infinity sound system, Sirius XM. It's got all the bells and whistles. Exact mileage is 14,085. It's got the blind spot and lane keep, every single option available. Car's like brand new, still under full factory warranty. Moonroof, which you don't see a lot in EVs. This car is like brand new. Absolutely no dings, dents, scratches, or anything like that. If you're interested, please give us a call, 508-921-0301. Thank you. Oh, it also has heads-up display, which you can see right there. Again, if you have any questions, give us a call, 508-921-0301. Thank you.